Now we will add menu. Go to the dashboard. From this appearance, go to this menu section. We will add this menu bar in the header section, written menu, and we will add about us page, contact us page, FAQ, privacy, add to menu. So those pages are added to this section. And custom links, you have to add your web address here. Link text home, link text home, add to menu. Drag this to the top section. You have to mark this section main navigation. If you wanna see the menu in the footer, just check this, side menu. Now check this out. Yeah, we have successfully added our menu here. See this? This is our contact page, so it works. In the footer section, you can add these pages in the same way. For example, I have added this section when I just checked this section.